me see what you've done.
Well, this one's finished, so I got in a little early so I could get a jump on them.
Great.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm pretty proud of this one as well, so.
It's nice. Tell me, but I like the gold. We had talked about copper, but I like the gold.
I do too. I think it worked out nice. So, these are finished. I've got one more left to do, and that's what I'm working on
this
here.
This is the bangles. Now, I've got more of that. You know, that just came in. Do you want some more of that gold?
Yeah, I'm gonna need some, I think.
That is a lot better if you get that gold on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna check to make sure I have the length right to the order.
There you go. There's a whole thing of those.
Thank you. Perfect.
Oh,
Great.
that is stunning.
Thank you. I know. I really think that the color came out nicely.
Where's
so.
Casey?
Oh, I haven't seen him.
Oh, okay.
So I brought back the wallets and Kai went to go get the portfolio.
That's
for
fine,
this
that's
next
fine,
shoot, I really want to bring up the lights, different than what we did last time on this other wallet set.
Okay. I mean, I'm a little confused about the light. Not that that's not a good idea. I'm just thinking, if we keep it dark, you're not going to have as much flash.
Oh, go ahead. Walk all over
You
me.
sure?
Let me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is just on the lighter color
Okay.
stones, maybe not as much flash.
Oh, hey Kai. Maybe just bring it up at your point.
Oh, excellent.
Sorry, you guys, I'm late.
No, that's okay. That's okay. We're just gonna look at the flash here. Well, in fact, just give a listen here. You've got some ideas on which
Right,
one
these, I just finished these. These are the
Oh,
pieces
they're
for
beautiful.
today, so thank you. And so I want to talk to you about, whatever we're going to lay them on and the kind of color scheme we need to go behind it.
We can put these on our new wallets.
Yeah?
I would love that.
Okay.
I mean, we can do them as chokers too.
All right, cool. All right.
Whatever.
Cool.
I like that.
Thanks.
You pay for it?
Hey. Yes. Faye Mulroney is a klepto. Recovered. Thank you.
You're a kleptomaniac?
Oh. I am.
Well,
I'm
that's
not.
all right. That's okay. I think you give yourself not enough credit, right?
Once. Well, anyway.
Yeah, you just keep it. You
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Well, shall we?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
take pictures.
All right.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous.
No, don't be nervous.
Okay.
This is not
Great.
the place to
No,
be
it's
nervous.
great. Casey. Oh, sorry. Oh, your hat. Here you go. I was just about to go out. Are you going back up to the studio with your mom? Oh, okay. That's okay. Oh, hey. Oh, that's sweet. That's Casey. That's kind of tight. Casey. Hi. Casey, please. Caitlin. Casey.
Oh, it's better than great.
Ah, really?
Oh, golly. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see that? Look
Oh,
at
yeah.
this. Now, wait a minute. Let's see. You see how nice and bright those colors came out?
Amanda helped.
Yeah, of course she did. She's got that eye. And I like that this is just straight on square. You guys, I'm so proud of you. I am
That's just
so
the first.
proud of you.
That's just the first draft.
Well, I mean, just,
This is
just
good.
there's great work happening here, and I just want you to know that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. How about the necklaces? Did you get some shots in here on the other
Casey. Oh. Hey, man. Hey. What's going on? Hey, Casey. Hey. Knock it off. No! Help! Casey, let me go! Shit! No! Casey, stop! Help! Oh, no!
I am so sorry. There is nothing wrong with you. Nothing.
Good.